I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select WPForms for the trigger. Select a form, then click Next. Now here search and select Zoho Sheet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name, select a respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret. Please visit Zoho API Console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server Base Application. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URI form authorization page. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Accept. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Workbook. Select Worksheet. Now map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Zoho Sheet. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Zoho Sheet. Here is the data that came into Zoho Sheet through the integration. Thanks for watching.